Here's what you need to know about persons with unlawful presence in the United States. In other words, those who have entered the country illegally. My name is Jason Mills with the Law Office of Jason Mills, PLLC. Unlawful presence in the United States can have significant consequences for foreign nationals, primarily affecting their ability to re-enter the country after leaving. The Immigration and Nationality Act outlines specific bars to re-entry based on the duration of unlawful presence. The first is the 3-year bar. This applies to individuals who have accrued more than 180 days but less than 1 year of unlawful presence and then depart the United States voluntarily before the commencement of removal proceedings. Such individuals are barred from re-entering the U.S. for 3 years from the date of their departure. Now keep in mind, if you're here unlawfully, you also are not allowed in most cases to change into any lawful status while here. The next bar is the 10-year bar. So moving from the 3-year bar to the 10-year bar, this bar affects those who have accrued 1 year or more of unlawful presence and then leave the United States. They are barred from re-entering for 10 years from the date of departure. And finally, one that is less discussed and less well known is the permanent bar. And this is individuals who re-enter or attempt to re-enter the U.S. without being admitted or parole after accruing more than 1 year of unlawful presence, or after having been ordered removed. They face a permanent bar. This bar can only be waived under exceptional circumstances such as those with U visa applications, or after the individual has been outside the U.S. for 10 years. That bar still remains, but at that point they're able to file for a waiver. So waivers, or mini pardons, apply to certain individuals that might be eligible to file to overcome these bars, such as through the I-601A provisional waiver process, which allows individuals to apply for the waiver of the 3 or 10-year bar while still in the U.S., if unlawful presence is their only ground of inadmissibility. Exceptions to these bars exist for minors under the age of 18 and asylees, among others. Keep in mind that none of those categories are exempt from the permanent bar, and the waivers are far more limited. Unlawful presence can complicate future immigration benefits and applications, as it may require additional documentation and legal arguments to overcome the bars to admissibility. It's crucial for individuals and their legal counsel to carefully document periods of stay and consult relevant legal resources, such as the Foreign Affairs Manual, USCIS Policy Manual, to navigate these issues effectively. So in conclusion, unlawful presence can severely impact an individual's ability to return to the United States and pursue immigration benefits. It can also restrict their ability to change status while in the United States. And it's essential to understand the specific bars and potential waivers available. Follow to be in the know of all things immigration.